Since we need servers for hosting a web application, right? Yes. In AWS, what we call these servers? We call these servers as EC2 instances. Now, let's have another interview question on this. Do AWS provide these servers, that is EC2 instances, in globally or regionally? To answer this question, we know AWS infrastructure, at where these EC2 instances or servers are placed in AWS in data centers, right? Yeah. Where in these data centers, whatever the servers I have, those are placed in these data centers. So what are the servers that I have? Those all servers will be present in these data centers. This data center have servers and this data center have servers. In similarly here also servers will be present. Here also servers will be present. Here also servers will be present. So these servers, where these servers will be present, we call these servers as EC2 instances, right? Yeah, where these EC2 instances or servers will be present in these servers or EC2 instances will be present in our data centers. So where these data centers present, these data centers, where these data centers present, these data centers present in availability zones. So can I say these servers are present in availability zones? Yeah, we can say these servers are EC2 instances present in one of the remote location of availability zone. That is, these servers are EC2 instances present in availability zones. Since availability zones are regional, since availability zones are regionally present, we can say these EC2 instances or else we can say servers are regional only. Can I say like this? Yeah. We can say these EC2 instances are regional. So we can access these EC2 instances or servers which are created in a particular region. In that region only we can able to access. So we can say these EC2 instances are regional. So these EC2 instances are regional. Okay. Now let's have another question. If we create a instance in Mumbai region, let's say this region is Mumbai. If I create a EC2 instance in this region, now can I access, can I see this server in from another region, let's say Hyderabad? The answer for this is no. Since these EC2 instances are regional, we can only find these EC2 instances in created region only. So now the answer is what? No. We cannot see an instance which is created in Mumbai region at Hyderabad region. We cannot see an instance which is created at Mumbai region from Hyderabad region. Okay, I hope you learned two things. That is, first one is our instances are regional or global, or instances are regional, and you understood visually why it is regional. And another thing is our EC2 instances based on our EC2 instances where we create, there in that particular region only we can able to see, or we can able to access, we can able to see them. From other regions, we cannot able to see those EC2 instances, even in AWS Management Console. So I hope you understood this video. You got an idea about these two interview questions. So thanks for watching. If you understood, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.